Well, welcome to another episode of Ask the Scientist. My name is Dr. Jeff Golini, and this show is about busting myths, bringing you the truth. Hey, my buddy Adam from Toronto writes in and says, Dr. Jeff, how many companies actually manufacture their own products? And then he goes on to say, does EFX Sports manufacture their own products? And what are the advantages and disadvantages of being a manufacturer? Great questions. So first of all, let me answer your first question. Not very many companies manufacture their own products. The reason being, it's very expensive, very capital intense. You've got to have expert people who are skilled in the art of manufacturing. In the USA, we have to comply with all federal FDA regulations. So very, very stringent. You need very professional people in order to do that. That's why not very many people manufacture their own products. Most people in this day and age are nothing more than marketing companies. They have a great idea. They come to somebody like Dr. Jeff at All American Pharmaceutical and ask us to contract manufacture, private label their product. And that's how it's really done. It's funny because most companies portray that they manufacture their own products when in fact they don't. Question 2, does EFX Sports manufacture its own products? Yes, EFX Sports is a division of All American Pharmaceutical in Billings, Montana, one of the nicest facilities in the country, if not the world, producing at pharmaceutical grade. So all of EFX Sports products are developed, formulated, and manufactured right in our Billings, Montana plant. Now, what are the advantages? The advantages are we have complete control over the quality, the manufacturing, the innovation of our products. When you go to a contract manufacturer, most contract manufacturers are going to try to cookie cut you, so to say. They're going to put you in a mold. You're going to ask for this, but they're going to say, you know what, I'm going to give you this. Because they don't know how to do this, they may not stock those materials, so most of the time, you aren't going to get what you want. The same way if you come to All American Pharmaceutical, you know, even though I stock some 4,000 materials, if you ask for some exotic thing, let's say it's not FDA approved or it's not DSHA, I'm not going to do it for you. If it's not WADA approved, if it's a drug, I'm not going to do it for you. And maybe there is some material that I don't stock that is legal. You would have to buy the minimum to use up that product. So that's why most manufacturers won't give you what you want. By manufacturing your own products, you have an opportunity to, first of all, source, come up with unique formulations, and of course here we use all of my patented items. So that's kind of the pitfalls. You know, the other problem is a lot of smaller manufacturers who have flown under the radar have cheated on their own products. So that gives them an advantage when it comes to cheating because nobody knows what they're doing unless they get caught. Now recently we have seen companies been caught putting drugs in products, misbranding, mislabeling. I've seen companies that were 20% of label claim, and of course we're not going to even talk about the whole protein spiking because we've killed that. Yet consumers continue to buy those brands that have been caught cheating. So my recommendation, make sure you find reputable brands that actually manufacture their products, and if they've been caught cheating, don't deal with them. And ask them for a certificate of analysis. Ask them for a peek of their manufacturing facility. I will always be an open book. I'm always showing pictures of the manufacturing. I'm showing you processes. So again, you kind of get a glimpse into how EFX Sports is made. So that's the scoop on the question. Thanks so much. It was a great one. And catch you next time. Bye-bye.